Hi there, Sanna here again today. It's the 30th of March and I got my April kit today in the mail and I'm going to do the unboxing with you now. So for April, let me check, I can't remember that. I think I wrote her that I would like to have something colorful and flowery and cheering for April, I think. Yeah, something bright and cheery. And it says on the shipping note, it says, "Hope you love your April kit. It's so bright and cheery. I also included fun embellish such as sequins, acrylics, labels, flare, twine and ephemera along with the April cut file. Enjoy." Okay, so this looks really cheery and lots of fun. So let's see what's inside. I wasn't expecting my April kit to arrive in time because it has been stuck at the post office for at least 2 weeks. The shipping infos didn't update at all, so I was counting on it arriving late again, but today the postman put it under the door, through the garden door, because because of COVID-19 we cannot have any contact, so he just slipped it under the entrance doors. That was kind of funny. And here's a card again. It says, "Hi Sanna, fingers crossed that this kit takes no detours." No, it didn't. It actually came directly to Austria, not going to Australia first, so we got lucky this time. So now to the kits. This is a deluxe kit, I think, by the looks of it. Let me check. Yes, so I got a deluxe kit, and what do I have? I think I have pebbles, lots of pebbles. Let's see, what else is there? Jen Hatfield, yeah, that's pebbles. Amy Tangerine, pink Paisley. Okay, let's start with the papers. First, Jen Hatfield Hey Hello collection, and the paper is called Yellow Roses. I love this paper. I love yellow colors on scrapbook pages and cards and journals, whatever. So always my go-to color. Really like it a lot. And then black and white pattern here. That's really cool too, but that is totally my favorite. And then another paper by Jen Hatfield, Hey Hello collection, and this is Thank You Sentiments. Oh, that's great. Could do something for Mother's Day, general thank you cards. And oh, that's cool. Light pink tone there and lots of alphas, and you can actually find words in there. There's thanks, thank you. That's cool. That's really a lot of fun. That's a cool paper. I like that a lot. And the next one is Jen Hatfield Hey Hello collection, Scattered Blossoms. So lots and lots and lots of tiny flowers there. So this is really cheerful. And a beautiful blue paper on the background with a grid pattern. And then the next one is Pink Paisley Truly Grateful collection, paper number 13, and that is really cool. Lots and lots of words I can use for titles or cards or whatever. Really like the colors too. Oh, and wow, that blue is really beautiful. It's going to be hard to decide which one to use. And then, oh, the cute cut file for April. This is really lovely. I happen to, oh, there's one that doesn't belong there. Oh, that's a bouquet of flowers. That's really pretty. Like that a lot. That would be perfect for a card actually, or a mini book cover. Let's see what I can make with that one. Let's put that aside. And then the next paper is by Shimel Field Trip. This paper is called Forward Thinking. And that's a really bold, crazy pattern there. But I like the spaceships on this one. It's like a blueprint paper, kind of reminds me of that. And the next one is Amy Tangerine, Picnic Park by American Crafts. That's really pretty too. Oh, and this is so cool. I love the B-sides, always have, always will. That's a nice orange color. Would go really well with the blue one. Oh, and then this one, this I had already once. This is Truly Grateful paper number 8 from Pink Paisley. And I've used this on a double layout. I just cut it apart here and used one for my younger son's layout and one for my older son's layout. And there's this background in pink tones, so probably I will try and use this one this time, but we'll see. That for sure is bright and happy. And then really cool rainbows. Amy Tangerine, Picnic Park, beautiful rainbows. Rainbows are really in at the moment. And then this polka dot paper in a teal blue color. That's really nice too. And another Picnic Park by Amy Tangerine. What's this paper called? Life's a Picnic. Okay. Big day, life's good, great, beautiful things, say cheese, perfect day in every way. These are really nice. And again, a really nice orange color here on the back. Oh, I love these color combinations. And then Picnic Park by Amy Tangerine again. And this is Pretty Piece, this paper. And I don't know which one I like more, this one or this one. That's really nice too. Really interesting pattern there. Should be fun to use that. And then next one is Pink Paisley Truly Grateful paper number 15, and it has lots and lots of flowers here. And then this beautiful pink toned ombre look on the background. Really like that one too. That is truly a bright and cheerful kit. I haven't had this type of kits so far, so I'm really looking forward to scrapping with these papers. It will be kind of a challenge for me. I like doing bright and cheerful, but these patterns will challenge me even more. So this should be really interesting what I can create with this one. Just look at that colors and patterns, everything going on there on this selection. So I've got a total of 11 papers. Then there's the cut file. Let's put it there. No, not just yet. I'll just flip this through so you can see here lots and lots of variations going on. And then the B-sides. Oh, these are nice together. Look how well these work together again. Oh, I love these. So I'll probably use B-sides and then add some details from the other side. That might be the plan for April, but I love the colors. And while we are social distancing and all, staying home and having no social contacts almost at all, so it's nice to do something bright, happy and cheerful for a change, to keep my mind off the scary things that are going on outside the front door. Okay, and now for the embellishments. This is Freckled Fawn. These are journaling stickers, I think. Label stickers, yeah. These are cool. These I can always use. Love using label stickers. And then I've got, oh wow, from Spiegel Mom Scraps, I've got really beautiful sequins, bigger ones and smaller ones. Love that blue color. Let me lift that closer to the camera so you can see it. Look at that color combination. Isn't that pretty? And I don't know if you saw this clearly enough, so I'll put it again towards the camera. Okay, and next I've got my favorite company, Bramble Fox, Happy Life and Stars in pink. I really like this magenta pink. I had this in my February kit and I loved it, and I'm really happy to have something in that tone again. It's really beautiful. Can't wait to use this one. And then next I've got, what do we have here? This is Jen Hatfield Icon Ephemera. And what's the collection? Hey Hello. Okay, so that's the same collection like the papers there. And this is what's inside the pack. So all kinds of, I think those are foxes, or no, those are cats. So cats and flamingos and flowers and macarons and donuts, and what else? Hedgehog, there's a hedgehog in there. So really cute images, and this is what they look like in real, like you get a picture how big these are in real life. Okay, so here again, love the colors too, really soft, beautiful colors and beautiful flowers again. So this will be a fun set to work with. And then I've got a glassine bag. Let's see what's inside. Don't want to ruin this sticker because maybe I'll use this for a layout later. We'll see, because I would like to document also the fact that I'm on this design team somehow. Okay, so I've got twine. I've got die cut butterflies in, I think this is from a magazine, looks like it. I think it's a dictionary actually. So I've got smaller and bigger ones. That should be fun. Yeah, it looks like dictionary paper that's been die cut with butterfly die cut dies. I think this is the Martha Stewart butterfly, and that one, I don't know, maybe that's Stampin' Up or Tim Holtz, I'm not quite sure. But really lovely. I love butterflies, so that's a great match. And then I've got beautiful flair. I haven't been using flair for a while, but I'm a big fan of flair. I've got beautiful hearts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I've got twine in pink and yellow white tone, and that's like almost purple, but I think it's, yeah, magenta or purple, cannot tell. Here it looks magenta, and when I hold it towards the camera it looks like purple. We'll see what that actually, I think it's more towards purple. Purple is magenta, let's say. Okay, so that's it. I love this kit. Isn't this pretty? I've got those beautiful flare pieces there. Got lovely embellishments. Got lots and lots of sequins, lovely labels, beautiful cut file, and gorgeous papers. So that's it. That's my April deluxe kit for the Wild Hare Kits, or by the Wild Hare Kits, and I'll be doing layouts, cards, I don't know yet, something fun with this. Maybe I'll even do present boxes or something with these papers. Love these. These are really bright and colorful and happy, and I immediately get the, I want to create something with this. So feeling really happy about this kit. Thank you so much, Alison. You made a really good choice with this one. So stay tuned for projects and posts on my Instagram account, on my blog, and on my YouTube channel throughout April with this kit. And then there's also the March kit, which I want to also use for a mini book. So in between of April kit posting, I'll probably pop in the March kit project that I promised to make. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon again on this channel. Bye!